Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MSPC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely, great price movement today, but when you look down here at the volume, by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. Over 1 billion shares traded on the day. So yeah, a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can continue to hold up above 001. I use the word continue very deliberately. You can see a couple of occasions there. And then once more during the final 30 minutes of the day. The bears did try to press down through 001, but to give full credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong. And if they can continue to do that going forward, that would definitely be, like I said, a big sign of power. Don't get me wrong, though, if the price falls below 001, I'm not saying the entire chart's totally ruined or anything like that, but if the price can manage to stay above it, that would be a great sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, that is where the purple line right there comes into play, which is that famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line will continue to move itself higher and higher. So from a big picture point of view, if you're someone that's just saying, Clay, how do I gauge the health of the move? This right here being defined as the move. Watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above the purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the price action's in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? Key level right now, in the shorter term, anyway, I'd probably call it a resistance zone from 0013 because you can see right here, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times the price was rejected at 0013. The price did also break above it a couple of times. But then up there, twice the price was rejected at 0014. So if you want to choose one or the other or use both, I'm just, like I said, I'll make a resistance zone. So 0013 to 0014 is that key level where the bears seem to be hanging out right now. All in all, though, great solid movement. And as long as the price continues to chip away and build higher bases, then over time the chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.